Hey guys, I'm Rishabh and welcome to 3 Broomsticks by SobeRish. If you guys would have attended Hogwarts, you must be familiar with the butterbeer. But unfortunately, you did not attend Hogwarts, did you? So here I am introducing you to the butterbeer. There are numerous recipes for the butterbeer out there, and here I am with the SobeRish version, which just requires cream soda, some butterscotch ice cream, and vanilla essence. And a blender, obviously. It's there. So now, in your blender, add about 2 scoops of butterscotch ice cream. After the ice cream, come on top with some cream soda. After the cream soda, add about a dash of vanilla essence. After the vanilla essence, add some ice on top. And now get to the blending. Some of you might be wondering, why did we not add any alcohol? Because the lesser known fact is, the butterbeer was actually non-alcoholic. Now, let's get out our glass. Now that we have our glass, let's get to the pouring. Those of you who could not get to the 9 3/4 on time, I present to you the butterbeer. If you want your acceptance letter from Hogwarts, definitely subscribe to this channel and like the video and share it with all the Harry Potter fans out there. Until next time, I'm Harry Potter and this is the butterbeer.